Iboan, welcome all of you. So today is 26th of March 2020. So by now the government has declared the curfew to all the Sri Lankans. So basically I can't go out to do any exploration, but I have had enough of staying inside the house. So I am engaged in many hobbies. It was a little bit windy day today, and there was sunshine. As I can't go out, I was engaged in several hobbies like bird watching and butterfly watching. So today I thought to share a video which I recorded near a river, because I went there for some bird watching. I saw a kind of petrel and a swift, but still I could not identify which kind of birds they are. So let's enjoy them. Let's have a look at the video. Thank you.